Happy, gorgeous Friday, everyone. Yes, it's Friday. It's time to enjoy the weekend and especially enjoy this beautiful pool by Florida Coastal Contractors and Island Breeze. Look at the lovely ivory shell pavers with silver Sam bullnose coping. Look at that contrast. What a great color selection. Love the watercolor. Got a slight teal hue to it. We got to come back and put a couple of holes for the volleyball net. This is a sport pool that goes down to the middle. Complete enclosure. Very happy, another 5-star customer, and they got the free outdoor kitchen. That was a special we had several months back that was on our TV commercials. So that is no longer in effect. We have a new a special starting today. So free fire feature. So when you're watching our videos on YouTube, on Twitter, and you're following us and you're watching us, this starts, my watch phone needs to be charged. But October 16th, free fire feature with any purchase of any swimming pool. So another beautiful job. I think we even hung the TV. Gonna get their outdoor kitchen finished out. And another 5-star. I think we got about 4 pools going in this area here in Silver Landing and Courtney Oaks. So if you want to come visit any of these beautiful jobs, all you got to do is give us a call at the office, 904-827-3962, and schedule your in-home free design consultation. Y'all have a very blessed, safe weekend. We love y'all, and this customer is getting swimming. See ya. Take care. Bye.